G'day, it's Christine here from ChrisW Designs, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Snap and Go wallet. The Snap and Go is a raw edge project, so you'll need cork, leather, vinyl, jelly vinyl, anything that doesn't fray around the edges. So here we have the Snap and Go wallet. Under the flap, which opens with a snap, you have an ID pocket, a coin pocket, which also opens with a snap. And stick some coins in there. You have a little pocket under the coin pocket. And on this side we have a bank of 3 card slots, 1, 2, 3, and another slip pocket under there. And of course we have our note pocket, and it just snaps shut. The little Snap and Go. Now the good thing is, if you don't like or have no need for the coin pocket, you can make it with card slots instead. Just swap it out. And as you can see, we've got our ID window on that side. We've got 1, 2, 3 card slots and a little pocket under there, and 1, 2, 3 card slots and a little pocket under there, and of course we have our note pocket. Our little Snap and Go. Such a cute little handy size too. Fits in your back pocket. Pop it in your quick no zip and away you go. So I'd like to say a great big huge thank you to all the testers and proofreaders for helping me hone in on what I believe is near perfection on this pattern. I couldn't do it without these lovely ladies, and their work is absolutely amazing, and so I'd like to share their photos and you can have a look at what they've done with my pattern. It's worthwhile having a look because they have done an awesome job. So thank you again, ladies, for helping. Woohoo! So there you have it. There are all the tester photos, and I do hope that you have been inspired to make your own Snap and Go wallet. And if so, you can find the pattern at www.chriswdesigns.com.au for the Aussies and www.chriswdesigns.com for everyone else in the world. Please do subscribe and click on that bell to be notified of any new releases as I add them, and hit the like button. This is so funny. I really don't like doing the videos, but everybody wants videos, so here I am, looking like a goose on camera. Catch you later.